Day number 3, and we just finished blowing out the 1957 GMC. We're not going to use the bed sides because we're going to make this a short bed, so we took the front pan out of the bed and the tailgate. They're all in great shape. We took the 2 rear fenders off because they're going to be used. We won't need the long bed steps. We got brand new steps. The cab looks awesome. There is no rust holes in it whatsoever. 60 years old. Getting ready to go to Media Blast this week. Got the 270 6-cylinder. Really cool. Chassis in fantastic shape. Got the right rear is the only one that has a little bit of rust in the lower back corner. That's easy to fix. That's the front panel for the bed after Media Blast. That should look really good. The 2 front fenders are just in awesome condition. Another rear fender. Got the tailgate, and again, the whole truck looking really cool.